Hi guys, my name is Abdul Wajid Bloch and you are watching YouTube channel Al Wajid Tech. Today we are testing the all suspension of the vehicle. This is the wheel hub. We are testing the wheel bearing. You can hear the noise. That bearing is also damaged. Need to replace. This is the wheel router. That is also need to tool on the tool machine, because sometimes the brake pedal vibrate. And this is the wheel arm. That is a CV joint. Wall joint is also need to replace. This is the arm bush, and this is the axle. Bearing axle is also need to new grease, and that is a suspension shocks. That is also so tight, and when you remove the power steering is also hard. Yes, this is also damaged, need to replace. And arm bush is also broken. This is a secondary wheel router. It's also need to tool. And this is a steering assembly. Need to greasing and check the bush play. And that is a tie rod. Need to repair the tie rods. That is a steering bush, the full of grease, but working is not good. You can see that the steering rod is also play. When apply the brake, sometimes the power steering vibrate. That is the reason. This is a steering assembly bush, need to replace, because this is also damaged. Finally I open this is the steering assembly rod. It's somebody weld the rod. So this is a steering assembly, it's damaged. We can't repair this because the steering rod is welded.